Thanks for 50 subscribes who have subscribed my channel. I am waiting for 100 subscribes. Please support for me. Here are some news about the phone. 3 facts about the phone few people know. Number 3, phone signals. Is your phone really not getting signals? Then try this. Go to the call buttons and press *3370#. It makes your phone signal becomes full. And if you wrong in pressing the code number 3370#, then the signal become to original position. But is very dangerous to type. Be careful, don't try this. Number 2, phone battery. If your phone is charging well or not able to charge fast, then it is the best method for making your charge become fast. Here is the best. Keep the phone in airplane mode. The signals coming to your phone will stop and charging becomes faster. Try this, you will get the result. Number 1, stop pop-up ads. When you are playing or see any videos you are getting pop-up, then here is the tip for that. Switch the phone airplane mode, then the signals get off and you will not receive. Don't be so excited, you may miss your phone calls. For more news please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.